Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on Samsung Galaxy F56. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, then you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use yep.com, and now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now click on the three dots icon and go to settings. Then click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have yep.com option, so you can select that and then you can go back. And as you can see, my search engine is now changed to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.